welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today we are going to make a great rice recipe that you can make on busy days. We are going to make the simple yet delicious cauliflower rice or Gobi rice. Let's get started and check it out. For more simple and tasty rice recipes, click on the link at the end of the video. For this recipe, I've taken one large cauliflower, it's about 500 grams, and I've cut into medium-sized florets. So first we're going to cook the cauliflowers for about 5 minutes in hot water. To this I'm adding half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. After 5 minutes, turn off the stove, remove the cauliflowers from the hot water, strain it and put it into a bowl. So cauliflower is one of my personal favorite vegetables and I love most of the dishes made with cauliflower. So when you think of cauliflower, what is the first dish that comes to mind? Let me know in the comment section. Next, I'm going to make a masala powder that goes into the rice. To the mixer jar, add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds, 2 small pieces of tamarind. Next, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and about 6 large cloves of garlic. So I'm adding it with skin, but you can also use the garlic without the skin. So we have this nice beautiful masala powder. Now it's a little bit coarse, but that's fine. Just transfer it and keep it aside. To a nice wide kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil. So next we're just going to lightly roast the cauliflowers. Keeping the flame on high, just roast them till you get a lovely golden color. So this is going to just give the cauliflower pieces a mild crunch. So you can see I've roasted the cauliflowers for about 5 minutes. It's got this lovely golden color to it. I'm just going to turn off the stove, transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. To the same kadai, add 1 tablespoon of oil, starting with 1 teaspoon of urud dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the mustard seed starts fluttering, add 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped. Saute the onions till they turn to a lovely golden color. You do not want to brown the onions. You can see the onions have turned to a lovely golden color. At this point, I'm adding 2 green chilies slit. Along with this, add a few curry leaves. I'm also adding 2 large tomatoes, roughly chopped. Cook the tomatoes till they become a bit mushy. Next, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt and now add the ground masala powder. This masala powder is so fragrant because of all that garlic. Keep the flame on low and add 1 cup of water. This is going to help cook the masala. So the masala has been cooking for about 5 minutes. All that raw smell has gone. Now I'm going to add the roasted cauliflowers. Now roasting the cauliflower is optional. If you want to use them after boiling, you can use it as is. Just look at that, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Keeping the flame on medium, let the cauliflower pieces cook in the masala for about 5 minutes. For this recipe, I've taken 1 250 ml cup of long grain basmati rice. I've soaked it for 30 minutes and I've cooked the rice separately. Reduce the flame and add the cooked basmati rice. And carefully start mixing the cauliflower along with the rice. That it looks so gorgeous. The rice is gradually absorbing all that masala. It looks fabulous. It's a very simple and tasty cauliflower rice, very quick to make. Makes for a wonderful lunchbox recipe as well. Finally, I'm finishing off by adding some freshly chopped coriander leaves. So there you go, here is this absolutely delicious cauliflower rice. You can serve it nice and hot and you can enjoy it as is. Wow, just look at that beautiful cauliflower rice. cauliflower is cooked to perfection and the rice has absorbed all those masalas and it looks fabulous. Well, it's time to taste the cauliflower rice. Wow. Simple ingredients, fabulous flavors. It's such a nice recipe and super easy to make. So here is another great way to enjoy your cauliflower. Make sure to follow all the steps to get it perfectly. So do give it a try and share this recipe with your family and friends. All my home cooking digital cookbooks are now available on shop.homecookingshow.in. Download and start cooking today. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website.